Look, this is something about working hard. You need to start working on teaching the people in your company this mindset. I believe it's what will elevate the pace, the attitude, the aptitude, the mindset within your company. You don't stop when you get tired. You stop when the job is done. You stop when it's done, not when you're tired, right? Champions are made when the stands are empty, not when they're filled. And so we get what we believe. And we have to believe in a mindset of what real work looks like. When you interview people and you say, hey, why should we hire you? The number one answer always is, I'm a hard worker, or my work ethic, or, I hustle. It's always the number one answer. And when you interview people, if you say, hey, what's the number one reason we should hire you? And don't tell me anything about work ethic, a lot of times they don't have much to say. And what we have to integrate into our businesses is what's the philosophy and standard of work ethic. And when you build that into your business, people begin to rise up because the standards have been set to a benchmark that's going to move the needle, not just get mediocrity and complete the job, right? So don't stop when you're tired. Stop when the job's done. And what's done means to your business is what you set it as the standard.